Hey guys, I'm gonna make a quick video to show you how to properly put your ladder on a roof or a roof. So it looks like here that my ladder is up against the gutters, but in fact they're not. They've got these ladder wings, some people call them standoffs, and if you look closely, they're not touching the gutter at all. Why? Because I've got these ladder wings or standoffs, whatever you want to call them, and I usually put a little rag around them so that they don't, make a mark if I put it up against the house. Anyways, I put these ladder wings on and they sit on the actual roof, on the roof. Depends on which country you come from. Anyways, this is how it should be done. It should never sit directly on the gutters, because if you do that, they will dent the gutters. So if you do this, it'll make it look nice and good. You'll stay off the gutters and you'll get a solid access onto the roof, so that your ladder doesn't slide up and down the gutter, and you won't ever dent the gutters. And your clients will love you.